Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. The last two videos were quite fruity and spring inspired, so I thought today I want to share a video that is more to say goodbye to winter, and it will involve some chai tea. So I have this chai mix here and I prepared some chai in advance, and you want to let that cool down a little bit. This is just one of our favorite chais, so whatever you like you can use. Then you want to take an egg in a bowl and you want to give it a good mix. Now you want to add some sugar, and the exact measurements are down below. Some vanilla extract, some sour cream, and a little bit of vegetable oil. And now you want to mix that all together. I was a bit slow here just because my chai hadn't cooled down a lot and I didn't want it to mess up the egg, but it worked out perfectly. Then you want to go ahead and add your flour, cocoa powder, and baking soda. And again, give it a quick mix. Now everything should be combined and you can put it into your muffin tray. So you want to add about 1 tablespoon of dough. And then you want to go ahead and take your white chocolate and add 1 bit of chocolate in each little muffin mold. And then you want to top it off with 2 more tablespoons of dough. And when you're done with that, you want to bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Then they should look something like that and you are ready to enjoy them. And they're really quite delicious. I really like to have the chocolate in the middle, and I added only a little. You can add more. But yeah, I hope you give them a try and I hope you like them. Bye!